I picked up this plastic tray from the dollar store. It's just a serving tray. And I found these 3 ghosts at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by gluing the 3 in the center of my tray. Back to back from each other. I'm using E6000 and just a little bit of hot glue to help it adhere right away. And then it will take probably 24 hours for that E6000 to kick in. But at least it'll be kind of set. I'm going to go to each one and glue it down. I found this spider web basket at the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to glue it to the top of my ghosts. Again, using E6000 and then hot glue. Here we are so far. I have this glass candlestick that you also can get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to glue that into the center of my basket. I found this little pumpkin at Hobby Lobby. They were all 50% off. And I'm going to glue it to the top of my candlestick. Very, very simple. And there you go. Now, just to add a little touch, I took some of my gilding wax. It's in this can because that's the old style of how they used to have it. We now have it in tubes. And I'm just going to put the gold on each spider that's in the basket just to make them stand out a little bit more. And now you have this cute little Halloween 2-tier tray for your Halloween party and your Halloween night. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.